All right, so this is a really fun video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or how to achieve this design here using images that are already in Canva. All I did was put it into photopea.com, which is a free platform that you can use to design. It's kind of like a Photoshop knockoff, but I created the outline in Photopea. So let me go to Canva. Like always, I'm going to select the 8.5 by 11 inches size. Now for Photopea, you want to make sure that you have a tablet or a laptop or a desktop. And for Photopea, you can just write www.photopea.com in the search bar, and it's going to take you straight. Let me actually just type it for you so you can get a visual. It's going to go straight to this screen here. And whatever image that we decide that we're going to add an outline to, we're going to click open from computer. So let me in the element section, I literally have to type in black and white girl and something may pop up. And if there is no black and white girl, I literally just have to find keywords. So in here, I typed in black girl. And so now I am going to get the picture that I showed you earlier. Now, as you can see, this picture is colored. So what I ended up doing was I changed her skin color to white. I changed the dress and shoes to black. And I changed the headband and socks to white. Now, as you can see, you can't really see anything. On a white canvas, if I was to put this on a coloring page, you won't be able to know what to color. You can't see the hands, you can't see the bow, the face, the legs. So what I did was I went to share, I went to download, and I made sure that my file type was PNG and clicked transparent background. And now it is downloading. Now I went to Photopea, open from computer. I selected the image. Now you can see that there are some lines, but you can't really see any details to know where to color at. So what I ended up doing was I went to layer. Now I'm gonna go slow in this process because it did take me a second to learn this myself. So what you did was you upload the picture, go to layer, layer style, stroke, change the color to black, select OK. Now I'm going to move the box. And as you can see, it has an outline, but some of the black area, like on the black dress, there are some white areas, there are some spaces. We don't want that. So what you want to do is go to size and select the size you want for the outline. You can do max size. Obviously, that's not what we want, but let me go down. If I decrease the size, you can see that some of the white line pops up. So we just really want a good number. And here it's at 14px. We want a good number to just call it a coloring book. So we're now going to click OK. And then I go to File and Save and Save. All right. Now I'm going to add a page and I'm going to up coloring kit that I just downloaded. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click open. And now you can see it is a coloring page. So now let me just minimize her a little. Or I can actually add her right here. Right, and now I can get a text. I love my. Now I'm going to change the font. Now remember, we want a font that has like a wide let me move this right here so you can see. But we want a font that has a thickness to it. We don't want something that's too thin. Like this right here, I wouldn't be able to, I mean, I could turn it into a coloring font, but it wouldn't be much to color. So let me actually go to the Alpha Slab 1. And now you can see, even if it's black right now, I'm able to create some space to color. So we're going to go to Effects, Splice, Direction at 0, Offset at 0, and we want our inner color to be white. All right, like that. Now I'm going to look for a different font for the word skin. I kind of want it like a cursive font, but if I can't find that, it's fine. Now it really does take a second to look for a font, especially if you're trying to add some color to it. So like this right here, I won't be able to use this because if someone is trying to color, it won't be a lot of space for them to color. I could use this, or I can try to use the last one. So let's go to Effects, Splice, Direction at 0, Offset at 0, Color white. And then let's see for the thickness, I put the thickness down a little. So now you can see there is some more white space that someone can color in. So we're going to keep that. And we're going to put that right here. So now we just created a coloring page. And this was super fun. Creating these are super fun. Basically, all you have to do is go to the element section and you can get any one of these images. You can invert the colors, change it to black and white, and then you go to photopea. So for example, this color right here, or this image right here, I would basically change the skin color to white. I can change everything to white like that. And then I would basically download as PNG, make sure you have a transparent background, and then repeat the process in photopea.